Yeah, hello, yes, I welcome you all to my phone screen. I'm Crypto Lord, and I'm here to do a crypto arbitrage. Yeah, so if you're watching me from TikTok, please make sure that you subscribe or you follow me, and if you're watching me from YouTube, make sure that you subscribe. Yeah, so today I want to use an AI to do my crypto arbitrage. Yeah. I want to use an AI to do my crypto arbitrage. Yeah, so I have a boat, so I've opened the boat, and the boat says that I have to trade USD SRT. So I'll buy it from Binance at the rate of 0.2046, and I'll sell it on ATX at the rate of 0.3621. So I've already told you that when you notice an arbitrage opportunity, don't be too quick to initiate a trade. There are three things that you have to you have to consider. So when these three things fall in place and you see that okay, it's cool, then you go to your Binance wallet and open it. So I've already searched for the script, and here is 0.2053, and the ATX is 0.3601. It keep on going up. You can see that right now the chart is going up right now for 4 hours. Let me see. You can see that the chart is going up. Yeah. And the 24 hours market volume is 2.50 million. That's the 24 hours market volume. You see, so you have to know all these things first. Yeah. So when you see that okay right now, here and here from Binance to ATX, there's an opportunity with this coin. Then you consider the three things that I've already told you, and that one, if you're my students, you know what I'm talking about. Yeah, that's why I'm saying that there are a lot of things that involve in crypto arbitrage that you need a mentor for him or her to disclose to you so that it will make your journey very easy. You can see that right now on Binance, it keep on dropping. Yeah, so I can come here and buy the the scripts. When we call scripts, yeah, SCRT scripts here. So if I'm spending $100, I'll be getting 488.2 scripts coins. Is that then? Yeah. So if I buy it from here, then I'll sell it from here. So people always moved by this thing, but you don't have to move by this thing. First of all, if you want to know the actual price for the sell, because here this one that you're seeing can be the price or the rate of for buy without knowing the sell. So you just have to go to the trade and move to the sell button so that you know the actual thing that you'll be selling. You see, so here the sell button is 0.355. So it means that if I buy it 0.2, I'm still making profit. You see that then I still make profit. Yeah. So imagine I've considered all the three factors finished, and I said okay, everything is cool. It's cool for here. So if I come here and I'm saying I want to sell the 488.2, I'm getting $173. So it means that I've made $73 from this trade. And I've heard people saying that those who do crypto arbitrage don't normally trade when they are doing YouTube videos. The reason is, if you want to do the arbitrage, there are things that you have to consider first before you do it, and those things are the things that these mentors don't want to disclose it for free, so they will not do it for you to see. That's it. Yeah, everyone have his or her own secret. So for me to come here and be doing this thing for free, that one it's not like I'll not benefit anything from it. So yeah, so we show you the actual way that we search for the coins and stuff. Then if you want to go deep and you want to understand how we consider these factors and how we do it, then that one is business part. And that one you just have to join my mentorship, or you just have to buy my course. My course is $50, my mentorship is $100. So that's it. Yeah. So after consider everything, and I want to sell my script coins over here, I'll be getting 173.55. So it means that I've made $73 profit on this one. You see, because on Binance here I spent $100 and I got 488.2 script coins. And when I come to the ATX and I want to sell 488, I'll be getting 173. So if I add the 0.2 to it, I'll be getting 173.55. You see, yeah. So this is it. So the bots or the AI make everything easy. The AI search for the coin opportunity for you, and it tells you that buy it from here and sell it over here at this rate and at this rate. So when you go to the platform and you check and you see the rate, then what you have to do is what? Just do the three factors check, check, and if everything is correct, everything is cool, then you initiate your trade. So don't be too quick to initiate trade that you haven't done these three checks. You see, yeah. And one thing about arbitrage that's very difficult is you searching for the coins. That's the most difficult thing. So these bots will search for all the coins for you, so it will do all the difficult work for you, and you just have to do the three factor check, and after that you initiate your trade. You see that thing, just simple as that. Yeah. So when and one thing that the boat also gives you, the boat also gives you the boat also gives you like more than 70 exchanges. Yeah, so some people know that, or some people think like exchanges are Binance, Bybit, and stuff. We have a lot. We have Pancakes, we have XT, we have Axindex, we have a lot. You see, yeah. So this exchange, this bot or this AI will give you all these exchanges and how they operate and how you can identify your opportunity on these exchanges. You see that thing, yeah. So and the bot gives you coins with huge market value. Is that then, yeah, with huge market value, yeah. So that it will make your business cool. You see, yeah. So when you're trading, you can even trade limit order, or you can choose market order. So the market order, that means you're ordering everything with the market order. That's the 0.35. You see, 0.35. But the limit order, you can set on when to buy it. You can set your own distance, your own price to buy. You see that then, yeah. And if you set it on market order, that one, it will sell it with the market order. You see that then, yeah. But when it's on limit order, and you say that limit order, let's say 3444, so and you initiate sales script, it will not sell until it gets to 0.344. That's what people don't know. Until it gets to 0.344. So if I set this one and I enter 100, you see that I'll be earning more profit. Have you seen it? You see that just under I got this thing. So let me do this for you see. So the 488, and I said that okay, sell it at 0.3999. You see, yeah. So before, so you initiate a sell, and it will not sell until it gets to this thing. So that's where people have trust issue with it. Just set it to market order. You see, market order, and you enter your amount 488. It will sell for you with this market order. That's it. You see, yeah. But if you're cool with the limit order and you have tried it and it goes into your favor, that one too is cool. Yeah, you said that, then that one too is cool. Yeah. So this is how you easily make $75 per trade on $100 accounts using this AI. Yeah, it's just simple. Yeah. So thank you for watching me. And if you want a mentorship, I have my link in the description and the link in the bio. Chat me and know that the mentorship is $100. Don't come and waste my time. Yeah, that's how we do it. Thank you. And if you want the boat too, the boat is $40. Yeah, if you chat me, I'll send the boat to you. We will do the subscription for you. Yeah, and we will give you your logins. That's how we do it. Yeah. So thank you for watching me. And I'm Crypto Lord and I'm out.